Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to merge multiple Word documents in Microsoft Word software. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So here you can see in my desktop I have two Word documents. So you can see here two Word documents. So how you can merge both this different Microsoft Word documents into a single Word document. So what you need to do is open Microsoft Word Office software. So here I'm using the Microsoft Word 2007. You can use any Microsoft Word, even in the 2010 also you can apply the same process. So once you open this Microsoft Word software, so what you need to do is you can see here above in the toolbar, you can see here insert, just click on it. Once you click on the insert, you can see a different ribbons. Then you can see here object, just click on this down arrow button. Now you can see here text from the file, just click on it. So we'll move to the desktop and we'll select both the file, and once you select all the Word documents which you want to merge together, after selecting you can see below there is an insert button. Just click on insert, wait for a few seconds, and it will combine or merge the different Word documents into a single Word documents. So in this way it's very easy to merge different Microsoft Word document files into a single files using this process. So try it out by yourself, and if you're in a need of merging different Word documents into a single file, then you can try this process and it will easily merge your different Word documents into a single file. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.